Ekasantagrahi is a stage or a state of mind developed during this cognitive development training process called Sukshma Drashta. Now, most people misunderstand Ekasantagrahi as ability to memorize complex and critical information in the first attempt. But Ekasantagrahi is not only a capability to memorize, but to perceive complex and critical information, niceties, details, you can call it anyway. All these complex things should be able to be perceived immediately, effortlessly by the child in the first attempt itself. This is because of the peak development of the cognitive index of the child. This generally, if you want to understand, when the child is in the Montessori or in the beginning stages, to write and understand or perceive a simple form called A, some children take a lot of time. B, C, it takes more than 2-3 days for them to actually perceive this because their brain is not developed. As the child progresses to the 10th class, automatically they start perceiving and observing and understanding complex subjects also because the brain is not developed. But as they progress to further stages in their life, in the 25, 26, they start perceiving more complex subjects easily. Now, the faster the cognitive development in the child, the better that it is for the child. If you have an ability to perceive complex and critical information in the first attempt and also memorize it forever, then it would be of enormous help to the child. But this happens not for everybody. You will be able to understand critical information or complex subjects at the age of 25, 30. Your memory, your perception generally is at peak. But during the early years, the most precious time in their life where they are actually learning, that's not at its peak. Where the learning time it is not peak, and where you are trying to expressive time, the expression time, and it is peak. But Ekasantagrahi creates a peak level of cognitive development so that young children can perceive complex and critical details in the first attempt and memorize it almost for life.